In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your profile picture on your Discord account on your phone. So we're just going to go into Discord. Once you're in your Discord account, what you want to do is go and click on your icon button on the bottom right corner. And then from here, you want to scroll down and find user profile. Just click on that. And then as you can see here, you can have the option to change your profile picture. So click on the pencil. And then right here, you click change avatar. Allow, and then you can choose from where you want to get your photos from, and I'm going to choose pictures, and then you can just find and select the profile picture that you want to set as your profile picture. So I'm just going to choose this random one, and then you can fit it like that, or you can move it around, like you can zoom in and out. I'm going to make it, that looks pretty good. And then once you played around with that, you can just click on the check mark on the top right corner, and then you click save right here. And then there you go. If you can look right now, your profile picture has been changed.